Murf AI tutorial. In this video, you can expect the whole interface of the Murf. You can also expect to know the pricing, and you will also get to know my review on Murf AI. We have worked with so many voiceover companies. We are using so many softwares to create videos. However, we will share our views on Murf AI in the end of the video. So please stay tuned. So let's get started. I am sharing my screen here and I will use the browser which I always use, which is Chrome. Um, just Murf AI. I'm typing Murf AI on Google, opening the first link. Since if you're if you're opening it for the first time, you have to sign up for it. Since I've already signed up, I don't need to. I'll just head on to Studio. There are a few more things which I would like to cover here. They are the most reputed companies when it comes to voiceovers. They have got so many awards when it comes to voiceovers. As you can see that they've got the Momentum Leader, High Performer Leader, and so many other by Synthetic Media and many other text-to-speech rating organizations. Apart from that, they've got videos as well. You can also create a videos using their own voiceover. Let's check it out, just one of them. I will just take 5 seconds of yours. As you can see, the video is
to go just one more.
As you can see, the video is also available. They've got explainer videos, like you can create explainer videos, podcast, and so many things with Murf AI. So I will explain everything with you in this video. Please stay tuned and hit the like button. Right, so we'll just head on to Studio. Since the studio has been created, opened here, not created, I'm sorry. I will head over to one of my projects which I've created. I was going to create a video on AI, benefits of AI. So I was just using a voiceover here. Let's see. So here are the interface. There are so many voiceover artists that are available for Murf AI. So you've got Terrell, you've got Miles, Nate, and so many other voiceover actors. Let's hear them out one by one.
It only takes one voice at the right pitch to start an avalanche.
The Amazon rain. Go fast. Go far. We know. Hey there. In this explainer vid.
Don't you think that these are the best voiceovers that is available for AI? Like I've used so many ones, but I think that they are the most realistic sounding voiceovers that I've ever come across.
Video. We'll explore the delicious.
Right, so you can choose any of them. Just to quickly explain you how it is working, you have to purchase a pro subscription in order to use these ones, and these are, I believe, for free. Proceeding further, they've got many languages options available, like English UK, US, Canada, Australia, India, Scottish, France, Canada, so many things that are available. If you want to create videos in any language, that you can do that here. I believe it's mentioned already here, 120 plus voices in 20 plus languages. They've got male, they've got female voiceovers, they've got all ages covered, like young, middle-aged, and kid as well. This is just amazing. You can also sort it out by use case, like you're using it for advertisements, audiobooks, documentaries, everything is covered here. Let's check it out some of the UK voiceovers, UK accent voiceovers as well.
The Earth is home to more than 100 million.
Just
Welcome
perfect.
to the future of.
They are just perfect, I would say. Perfect is a word that I use for Murf AI. So from the script that we have created, this is what they have made it here. Just a second.
AI enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks with greater speed and accuracy, allowing humans to focus on more complex endeavors. With its ability to process vast...
You can also choose specific voiceover actor for a specific lines. Like let's as you can see here that the first one was done by Terry and the second one was done by another voiceover actor, which is Alicia. So that is even also possible. You can use each and every different voiceovers for different type of scripts. You can also adjust the pitch, you can adjust the speed, you can add a pause. Everything is available. If you want to make some of the adjustments, changes, that is covered here. They've got export options here, voice, video, script, everything, like quality, what type of quality that you need, the channel, what type of channel that you need, they've got it covered. Apart from this, I just also realized they've also got the video projects as well. I've created one for you just for the purpose of this video. Since my script was related to AI, I've added like a video over here. No worries, let me just delete it and show you how it works. So I've added the script, created the voice over here. It's done. Yeah.
The benefit.
Now I can also add the video from here. Click on plus sign. You can upload your own video, use any of the stock images, and you can use any of the stock videos as well. One thing which I would like to share here, that this is being powered by Pixels. Pixels is a website that is a completely royalty free. You can use any of their videos and photos without anything. Like you don't even have to give them credit on the videos. So that is amazing. Since the video that I have used is about robots, I will choose the robot one. And you can choose any of the videos that coming up in the search results by Pixel. Let's say like this one. You can trim it out if you would like, add to the timeline, and it's done. It's added here. It's as easy as it sounds. They've also got voice changer feature available as well. You just need to upload a MP3 or MP4 files, supported ones of course, and they will do the voice changing for you. You can upload your own media as well, as I stated previously. Let's come out and discuss some of the pricing options as well. This is the interface. This was the interface part. Now let's switch the chapters and move to pricing. That is very important. So Murf AI pricing. Yo. Here it is. Okay. So for the free one, if you just want to try it out, I will mention the link in the description. You can check them out. I will also mention a link wherein you can create you may get an extra discount if you go through my link. So for the free plan, you don't have to pay anything. You can try all 120 plus voices, 10 minutes of voice generation, and 10 minutes of transcription. You can add up to 3 users in the free plan. Switching gears to the basic one, the paid one. I think this is yearly one. So for yearly, you have to pay $228. That will be billed annually. I don't like to go with the yearly plans usually if I'm not sure about the product, but for this one I can say this is the best one, so I may go with the yearly plan. However, for you, I will review the monthly plan as well. So for the monthly plan, that will cost me $29. For $29, what I will get is unlimited downloads. So there is no restrictions of how many downloads that I can do. I can do unlimited. I can download in any formats. I can do anything that I want. Access to 60 basic voices, access to 10 languages. They can also do 2 hours of voice generation. So here is the game changer here. Many of you thinks that 2 hours of voice generation is low, and they don't like that one. But let me tell you how it works. So if you open a calculator, I'm using a Mac here, so this is the bit complicated here. Yeah. So 60 into 2. That's 120 minutes of voiceover. Let's say your video is average for 10 minutes. If we divide it by 10, it will you can produce up to 12 videos in the $29 plan that is billed monthly. Voice changer is not included in it. However, you've got licensed soundtracks and, of course, the commercial usage rights as well. Um, they have also got the pro one, like you need to use it frequently, you have a lot of work to do, you have to create lots of voiceover, you can go with the pro one. Pro one also got unlimited downloads, access to 120 plus voices, 20 plus languages, 4 hours of voice generation. So that is just like you can create up to 24 videos if your video length average to 10 minutes. You can create up to 24 videos out of this. Sorry, wait, I think I've made a mistake here. Let's see, 120, yeah, right, 24, that's correct. 24 videos you can create if the video lasts for 10 minutes. So let's say you're adding a b-rolls and so many other stock footages as well, and if your video lasts for 5 minutes, then it will cost even lesser. So 4 into 60 220 divide by 5, that's 48 videos a month for the pro plan. That will cost $39. I think this is great if you are serious about the business, if you are serious about creating realistic voiceovers. This is the best option. I think you should go for it. I have mentioned a link in the description that is, of course, an affiliated links. However, you don't need to pay anything extra from your side if you're purchasing through my link. I will just get a small commission out of it. Moreover, if there is any promo code available for this particular website, I will mention it out in the description as well for you, so that you can use them as well. I will also create so many other videos regarding this topic in the upcoming time. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day.